Educational Information and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on taiga and tundra. In our last lesson, we learned about the biomes of savanna grasslands and deserts. We discussed the characteristics of each environment and looked at examples of vegetation and wildlife. Today, we will learn about the biomes called taiga and tundra. We have a lot to cover today, students, so let us begin. The taiga, which is also called the boreal or coniferous forest, is the largest biome in the world. It stretches over the northern region of Europe, Asia, and North America. Taigas are forests of dense evergreen trees. The climate in the taiga biome is extremely cold. Taiga winters are long and harsh, with temperatures that average below 0 degrees Celsius. The summers are short and range in temperatures between -6 degrees Celsius to +35 degrees Celsius. Because the water remains frozen and unavailable to plants for most of the year, taigas are dry regions. Since the spring and autumn are so short, the main seasons in the taiga are winter and summer. It is either hot and humid or very cold. The taiga does not have as many plant and animal species as the tropical or deciduous forest biomes. Not many plants can survive the extreme cold of the taiga winter and the thin, acidic conditions of the soil. Coniferous needle-leaf trees flourish in this environment. These include pine, fir, and spruce trees. In addition, deciduous beech, willow, poplar, and alder trees are found in the taiga as well. Taiga trees are well suited for the environment. They are thin and grow close together, which gives them protection from the cold wind. Their cone shape allows snow to fall off easily, which prevents branches from breaking. The shape and the waxy coating of the needle leaf conifers help to prevent water loss. Coniferous trees are also called evergreens because they stay green all year round. They do not lose their leaves in the winter like deciduous trees. The long, waxy needles of coniferous trees are protected from freezing temperatures and drying out. Few animal species live in the taiga due to the extreme conditions. However, various seed-eating animals like finches, sparrows, and squirrels can still be found in this biome. Large herbivores like elk, moose, muskox, and deer also survive in the taigas. Other animals include hares, beavers, geese, wolves, grizzly bears, and various insects. To escape the harsh conditions of winter, many animals burrow underground for shelter and warmth. Other animals, like the grizzly bear, hibernate through the winter, while animals like elk, moose, and birds migrate to warmer regions. Students, for our first activity, please answer the following questions about taiga in complete sentences.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, class. Let us review your answers. The two other names for the taiga forest are the boreal forest and the coniferous forest. The taiga is found in the continents of North America, Europe, and Asia. The two dominant seasons in the taiga are winter and summer. I am sure you all did an excellent job. Let us now learn about the tundra biome. A tundra is a frozen, treeless landscape, typically characterized by extremely cold temperatures. There are two types of tundra, Arctic and alpine. The Arctic tundra is located between the North Pole and the taiga biome. It is extremely cold in this region, and the land remains frozen all year. Some locations of Arctic tundra include northern Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Scandinavia, and Siberia. The Arctic tundra experiences low amounts of precipitation and extremely cold temperatures for most of the year. The temperatures in the winter are below -50 degrees Celsius on average. In the summer, the sun remains in the sky during the day and night, with temperatures ranging from 3 to 12 degrees Celsius. Alpine tundra occurs in frigid mountaintop regions at very high elevations. Alpine tundra can be found anywhere in the world, including tropical regions. Although the land in the alpine tundra is not always frozen, like the Arctic, the land is typically covered in snow for most of the year. The alpine tundra is very windy and experiences much more precipitation than the Arctic tundra. Some locations of alpine tundra include Canada, Russia, Finland, the Himalayan mountains in southern Asia, and Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Due to dry climate, poor soil quality, and extremely cold temperatures, vegetation in the Arctic tundra is limited. Plants must adapt to cold, dark conditions since there are few hours of sunlight during the winter months. Plants like moss, lichens, and sedges experience brief periods of growth in the summer when temperatures are warmer. Vegetation in alpine tundra grow at a constant rate throughout the year, since the sun remains in the sky for about the same period of time. The vegetation consists of grasses, short shrubs, and rosette perennials. Animals that live on the tundra